Holy cow.
It's like a whole freaking lake. Oh, there's larval too. Oh no, don't go around me. Kind of an undercut right there. Wow, you got this recording?
Yeah. We got pool here.
Okay.
Silt.
Uh-oh, over the top.
Look at that.
A lot of meat. Actually, it's only like 15 pounds of meat.
I might try to bag it and dump it in there.
It's gonna last insane haul. Maybe we need another bucket there.
Yeah, we might.
Count them. A lot of larval.
Probably just, here, I'll throw that up here. Shoot. Maybe we might be able to deplete in the second pass here.